Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. I'm out today having coffee, enjoying the evening, and I found this beautiful 5-pack. This is the latest one coming out from the Hot Wheels. It is a bit ribbed here, but that's fine. It works for me because ultimately I'm going to open this up. So I have a friend with me. I want him to hold this so that I can open these cars and let you guys have a preview of this. Okay, camera adjusted. I was actually ripping this up. So this is your 5-pack with all 5 cars in it. We will start from the bottom because we really like what we have in here. So the first one we have is a Lotus. It's Evija, I guess. Look at this Evija. Look at those wheels, the side detailing, the front lights, Lotus logo on it, and we have tail lights here as well. On the base we don't have much except some detailings. See this? And this is the top. Isn't this cool? It is a cool car, and I really like the wheels they have. Next is Lamborghini Huracan LP. I think it's 6110. Yeah, as per the box it's 6110. The wheels are very basic, but the color is quite different on this one. We don't have much details over here for the tail lights, but it does have a detail of Huracan on it. Let me focus that. Yeah, see? And we have exhaust as well this time. On front we have some detailing of headlights and this roof, black roof. So yeah, it does look good. Let's move to the next one. It's 17 Ford GT. Who don't love Ford GTs? I think this is the recolor of the model that has been released in 2019. The first color was orange, and we had several other colors, and now this is what we got. I really like the trim on it. The wheels are nice, the base is good. We don't have any detailings over here, but of course there's front light with the Ford logo. I'm not really fond of this color, but I like the casting. And next up we have SF90. So it's not very long ago when this Ferrari was debuted this year in Hot Wheels basic line. I think it was in the G case, H case, I don't remember. You guys tell me. It was in red, and now it is recolored in this for this 5-pack. This is more like burnt maroon color. We have really nice 10-spoke wheels, front detailings, Ferrari logo on the side as well, on the front as well. This is the same kind of roof that we have seen previously because it's the same casting, but we do not have any much detailings on the back. On bottom we have aerodynamic details here, some other details as well here, but it looks amazing actually. And last but not the least is this Aston Martin Vulcan. I'm not sure how many other I have in my collection, but this is a fine one. I'm sorry for that. Look at that matte black color with the trim on the side, and this trim goes from front to back looks so damn cool. There's nothing much for the headlight detailings, but we have Aston Martin logo over here. The wheels look nice. I think it's 10 spoke. No detailings on the back, but the spoiler look really cool and sporty on this one. And you can see, of course, the seats from the top. Crazy, isn't it? So guys, that was your 5-pack for today. I just got my hands on it and Scott. I should show it to you guys. Let me know which one is your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe, because there are more cool videos on the way. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.